the migrating bird. I've got an idea. Let's start with some black paper, so it looks like nighttime.
Wow, it's so dark.
Hey, hello. Who are you?
Take a guess.
It's an owl.
Whoa, whoa.
Ava, Teo, Rico, where are you?
Whoa, whoa.
It's nighttime, so shh, they're sleeping.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Owls are awake only at night. That's why he's talking so much.
What was that?
I don't know. It's so dark outside.
We need some light. I'm gonna make a sun so we can see better.
Oh!
I don't want to get up.
Come on, wake up. Look.
What is that?
Oh.
Whew, he's okay. Where did he come from?
No nest. No mommy or daddy bird. It looks like he doesn't know how to fly yet. Here comes a giant flock of birds.
Are those storks?
Oh, wild geese.
Sure looks like they're in a hurry.
It's fall, and soon it will be wintry cold.
That's why they're flying to somewhere warm. Well, there'll be plenty of food.
That's right.
Hey, come back. You forgot a baby bird.
Oh. Well, you have to learn how to fly if you want to go with them.
Come on, little one. Show us what you can do. It would be faster if we sent him by mail. But we don't know where he's going.
Don't worry. He'll be flying by sunset.
All right, little friend. For your first lesson, you need to build up some speed. That's it. Follow me. Come on. Run and jump just like this.
He's not ready to take off yet.
He's not jumping high enough.
Maybe he needs a trampoline.
All right. To fly, you flap your wings, build up some speed, and alley-oop. Yeah! Good job! That's it! I can be the trampoline! Yeah. Come on, jump! Just do what I do.
That's it. Well done. Higher.
Flap your wings, little one. Come on. Flap, flap, flap. Uh-oh. Whoa, my.
Come on, little one.
Hooray, he's flying! Now he can join his family. Oh. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Don't talk to strangers.
And be sure to stop every hour and take a rest. But what if he's flying over the ocean? Well, then he can land on a big whale and take a rest. Now don't forget to eat and drink. Goodbye. Have a good flight.
can tell us everything you saw.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Send us a
Bye.
postcard.
A little bird fell from the sky because he didn't know how to fly.
Now that the end of summer is near, the little one starts to feel a tear.
How will he do it, that poor little bird? Will his that cry for help be heard?
Of course, our friends don't hesitate.
To teach that bird how to migrate. A pen. Scissors. Cut. Tear.
Paper playtime. Let's start with a sheet of paper
A pencil.
and a pair of scissors.
Take the paper and fold it in half.
Then in half again.
Then once more.
Use the pencil to draw half a bird on the folded side of the paper. How many birds do you think this will make?
Ask someone to cut your paper for you. Or cut it yourself if you're allowed.
Unfold the paper.
And 8 little birds are ready to fly.
You can even use the paper cutouts as stencils.
Bye-bye, birdies. Sandpaper.
Drawing paper.
Rice paper.
Wrinkled paper.
Toilet paper.
Wallpaper.